Today on AISD-TV News, Angel Tree donations,
Employees of the Month,
and an art exhibition at the CVPA.
next
Here on AISD-TV News. Hello and welcome to our December edition of AISD-TV News. I'm Cami Pratt.
And I'm Tammy Ho. Cami, do you feel it?
The joy of the holiday season.
No, not that. Winter break. I can just taste the days of staying up late, sleeping in, and no homework.
Well, when you put it that way, why yes, I do feel it. But first, Tammy, let's share our good news stories.
You got it. Let's start with food. Dr. Cavazos helped out on the serving line at Hale Elementary School. All of the elementary schools in the district held a Thanksgiving feast, and Dr.C popped in on Hale to lend a hand. Turkey and lots of green beans were served, and it was a great way to jump into Thanksgiving break.
Now it's time to highlight our teachers and employees of the month for November. Dr. Cavazos started off at the Atherton Elementary, surprising Elizabeth Lucero with her award. The next one on the list was Barnett Junior High with Sandra Smith, who is an amazing art teacher. Dr. Cavazos then visited Sam Houston to surprise Corporal Catherine Stewart with the Employee of the Month honoring our security department. Finally, we visited the woodshop at Arlington High School and really surprised first-year teacher Christopher Grimaldo, also known as Mr. G, with his High School Teacher of the Month award. Congratulations to everyone! In January, we will highlight our December winners.
The 4th through 6th grade elementary art exhibition is currently on display at the Center for Visual and Performing Arts Art Gallery. A reception was held to honor these amazing students and their families. The exhibition highlights student artists from across the district, showcasing various works ranging from drawings, paintings, and sculptures, as well as two-dimensional and three-dimensional art. The exhibit will run until January 2nd, so be sure to check it out soon. The CVPA Art Gallery hours are from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday, and we will be closed in conjunction with the AISD holiday schedule. Come out and support these amazing young artists.
Students at Nichols Junior High received a playbook on character from a few special people that know a thing or two about integrity. Dallas Cowboys center Tyler Biadasz and offensive tackle Terrence Steele, along with Medal of Honor Museum CEO and President Chris Cassidy, gave students a rundown on what it means to have outstanding character in and out of the classroom. The panel discussion, hosted by Christy Scales, also included a conversation about mental health and coping with stress during difficult times. The event was held at the Medal of Honor Preview Center at Choctaw Stadium and gave attendees a sneak peek of what's to come at the museum in 2024. The students were beyond excited to chat and get selfies with the Cowboys and Cassidy, and can't wait for more opportunities like this one in the future.
As the semester comes to a close, district staff members gathered at the administration building for the annual Angel Tree event. Employees adopted angels and brought in hundreds of gifts for local children that were in need of clothes, toiletries, and toys for the holiday season. Staff members met in the boardroom to hear a special address from Dr. Cavazos and a heartfelt thank you from Ms. Tilly Bergen, coordinator of the Mission Arlington Angel Tree Pickup.
The holiday season is special for many reasons, and one of them is the gift of giving. Before the Thanksgiving break, nurses throughout the district collected items like toothpaste, deodorant, and even some words of encouragement to package and gift 80 kits to the Arlington Life Shelter. Lisa Staples Wary, the nurse at Johns Elementary, is the president of the Arlington School Nurses Association. She delivered the kits along with Robin Richard, who is the nurse at Sherrod Elementary. Every year, ASNA provides scholarships to UT Arlington nursing students and participates in a community service project. This year, they added this special project, and now 80 people will have a brighter holiday season because of it. With heartwarming stories like that, how can you not love the holidays?
I know, right? It just makes my heart melt. But what really gets to me is free money. The Greater Arlington Chamber of Commerce is giving away lots of it. Seniors, if you're tired of making TikToks over the break, apply for scholarships to help pay for college. The Chamber is offering more than $30,000 in scholarships to Arlington ISD graduating seniors. And the best part is, it's all in one application.
The American Dream Scholarship will be awarded to a first-generation college student of Latino or Hispanic descent who wants to attend Tarrant County College or UTA. For the Greater Arlington Chamber Scholarship, 8 seniors have the opportunity to win a $2,500 scholarship to use at the college or university of their choice. The Innovation Scholarship, sponsored by the Pettinger Foundation, is a STEM-based scholarship for students looking to get a 4-year science, engineering, or mathematics degree from UTA. 2 $5,000 scholarships will be awarded to students enrolled in a STEM-related career pathway.
So don't spend your whole break scrolling through your phone. Take some time to fill out the streamlined application to make all your college dreams come true.
Don't forget, winter break starts Friday, December 16th.
And we don't come back until Wednesday, January 4th of 2023.
That's all we have for you this year. From us here at AISD-TV News, we wish you a season's greetings
And a happy holidays.
See you in 2023!
So no snow this year?
The custodians were not happy about all the confetti from last time.
Well, I thought you were gonna clean it.
No, I thought that was up to you.
Dude, but you're the one who thought of it,
Okay, but you're the key clubber of the month.
Okay, but no, that was September. This is December now.
Okay.